So tell me how you're feeling about this, Ross.
Bit nervous.
Good morning.
Are you going to go through with it?
Yeah, definitely.
You sure?
Yeah.
You're not going to let us down?
No, I'm not going to let you down, no.
Thumbs up.
Even though it does look like it's thought about it once before, but I value my hair too much. Just stand. Here's your dad. Absolutely. Ready? Go down the middle. At least I'm getting out of work for a bit. Absolutely.
Yeah. Are you looking?
At least I won't have to wash your hair for a while, Ross.
True.
Leave it like Ross.
Yeah.
Yeah, just do one side.
True.
Did it halfway, you took a big comb over.
Well done, Ross. Oh dear, lovely, Ross. Get all the ladies on.
It's time for that, isn't it?
Ross, how are you feeling now? You feeling a bit bold?
Yeah, I'm a bit there.
Let's have a hat.
Yeah, I was going to say,
Yeah,
you've
give
got
us
a
a
hat in the bag.
Give us a smile.
Not a good smile.
Should do a thumbs up.
I will do it.
I've just got a hat in the bag to go over. Going.
Look at that.
Don't laugh at that Jamie like that.
Yeah.
Brother.
Harrison wants to go. We were tempted to go, but
We're going to sell the
Christmas.
You don't got sale
Flo's got one, and it says Flo.
Yeah.
Find out about it.
Okay, that's 7:50 today then. Thank you very
The thing
much.
is, if all four of us go, that's like 600 quid. It's like
So much money,
I just
isn't it?
couldn't afford 600 quid. You know what I
We'll
mean?
get them to pay for your own.
Go on your own.
Yeah, I've always got my own, you know. Yeah.
Hey, well, I'll sign.
No? Sure.
No, different than I.
Do you realise this is the first free haircut that Debbie's ever done?
You look so much like Jamie like that.
I think it looks pretty good actually.
Okay,
Thank
You
you.
get a couple of days to get used to it.
Thanks.
And I think you might.
You go and wash your hair and you think, oh God. Yes.
Oh, God.
Yeah, where's it gone? See, what happens?
I'm going to save some money with shampoo for a little
We
while.
can show Leon up now. He never had as
Yeah.
bad as that, did he?
It looks alright, Ross. It
Does
does
it?
look alright actually, yeah. I think you'll get away with that.
My hair around the shoulder.
Now
it's like pink.
Follow me completely.
Actually, you have more hair than I thought. So
Do you want it?
So,
Shall we put it in
yeah,
a
I
bag
do.
for you? We'll put it in a bag.
That is all off now, isn't it?
Yeah.
You got your t-shirt. You got your t-shirt, have you?
Yeah, he's got it there. He's going to put it on, but we thought we'd get a bit.
That is all off, isn't it?
It's gone. Oh God, Ross. No, put it back again now. No,
Looks all-
it doesn't take long to take it off. It takes a long time to grow. Well, it wouldn't actually. You could get a few weeks. How's it feel?
I'll be all off as well.
That's nice. Right, Ross, step forward.
That's it.
Just the main man,
Well done, mate. Well done.
There we go. Oh, look at me